Now let's go to the Navigate page. This case is almost similar to displaying a dialog, so I made the code in advance. What we are trying to do here is, if the counter is 3, we'll go to the other page. So in the build function, it checks the counter value of counter change notifier, and if it is 3, it calls navigator.push and moves it to other page. Let's run it after a hard restart. I will go to the Navigate page and try pressing the floating action button. A red screen appeared briefly and then moved to Other. An arrow was displayed on the debug console, and let's look at this case in another screen again. Like when displaying the dialog, set state or mark needs build called the during build was displayed. And again, a message appeared saying that the overlay widget asked to draw it again, while the framework was already drawing. But if you think about it, navigator.push is also displaying a new screen on top of the current screen, so it seems natural to see the same message. Now let's put navigator.push inside addPostFrameCallback, just like when we were displaying the dialog. It's already familiar code, so I made it in advance. Let's run it after a hard restart. I went to Navigate page and 1, 2, 3 moved the other, and no error message was displayed on the debug console. If you look closely at what we processed using addPostFrameCallback, we handled actions such as displaying a dialog or navigating according to a state change. In handling these actions, other state management solutions, Flutter block has block listener, and RiverPod has ref.listen to handle these separately. In the next chapter, we will cover dialog display and navigation using change notifiers as listener.